Hello, my name is Louise and today I'm filming my 14th Project Pan update. Crazy cat. It's a little chaotic. One of our cats was sick or he had like an injury, and I've been at a meeting and my train was delayed and I was supposed to be home at 11:30 p.m. on Friday, but I got home the train arrived at 2:18 in the morning, so this weekend has not been very restful. But anywho, so update time. I've done pretty well in terms of usage, but maybe not in terms of like actual progress. But let's just start with the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia, the one that I want to finish. No real progress. I'm using it. I've used it 18 times, so that's pretty good. You know, I didn't bring it with me on the meeting thing, but yeah, it's yeah. The next product is the Rimmel Lipstick that I depotted into a little pot. I don't really think that there's a very obvious use. I know I've used it a lot though. I have used it 21 times. Yeah, 21 times, mainly as a cream blush. It's okay. It's pretty good. It's okay. You know, I still like it as a cream blush, but yeah. So it will not be finished in a while. Can you, I mean, it's so interesting to me how much is left in the component once you've like used up the bullet that you can get to easily. So much left. But yes, so that's that one. And now for the product where there is a lot of progress, and that's the Elizabeth Arden Pure Finish Highlighter in Rose Illumination. So much use! Like, it's pretty much just the outermost ring. So very pleased with this. Use it every day pretty much, or well, the days I use makeup. And I've used it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 times. So that's pretty good. I don't know when I'll finish it, but very pleased. The fourth product is the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Bronzer in Brunette Harmony. Yeah, I think the only thing you can tell is that I'm using up the like L. There was like an L and an R or something. I don't know. Is really starting to be less noticeable. So very pleased, very pleased. Then we have the Maybelline Blush. Oh, I forgot to mark it, but I'll mark it in the photos. Not sure there is actually any visible progress. I feel like perhaps if I'm being a bit kind to myself, but the pictures will show. I have used this one a lot though. 5, 10, 15, 20, 23 times. So, you know, I am using it. I'm doing my best. So that's good. I layer these two together and then usually I have another blush because I don't always want to have like a plummy blush, you know? I forgot to tell you what it's called. It's called Plum Alchemy. Pure Blush Mineral Plum Alchemy. The sixth product is the Nyx Yogurt Eye Pencil. Wow. Sorry, cats are quite hyperactive. They have been fed. Sometimes this happens. Yep. I mean, I don't think I sharpened it between uses, so this is just the unsharpened nub. Used it 17 times, and I've actually mainly used it as a highlighter base. It's slightly more bronzy-ish. It's more of like a highlighting blush, I guess, because it's slightly darker, but I think like it's been really nice as some kind of highlighter base. I haven't liked it on my eyes though because it's very creasy, so yep. Hopefully I will be finishing this one someday. So I feel like that's been pretty okay progress. I mean, the bronzer and the highlighter are definitely going somewhere. The blush, I don't know. The Anastasia, you cannot tell. The Rimmel Lipstick, it's probably going somewhere. This one, but yeah. So that was the 14th update. I will go eat a late dinner that my husband is preparing. And then bedtime. So, have a good night or day. Take care of yourselves, wash your hands, get vaccinated or get your booster shot. And I will see you in 4 weeks for me with another update. So yeah.